Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the latest Facebook Live project to share with you. This one is called the Titania Folded Album and Stand, and it's a boxed folded album and a really lovely little stand for it to sit in. So if I just stand it up, you can see. It measures 8¼ inches tall, 7 inches wide and 2 inches deep, and makes a lovely keepsake memory book and gift. So let me take you through it. Nice little stand, just square, simple. It's got little metal feet on the bottom, and then in it is the little album with a magnetic closure on the front, folded over. I've used the Passion 8x8 papers to decorate the project with. Pretty papers, and I used 3 8x8 of these paper pads with no whole sheets left, just the inside, front and back covers and a cut apart sheet in each pad. So it went together beautifully. The colours in the collection are really pretty. Soft blues and the pinks with the ballet shoes, and then I put a few cutouts on the project as well, or die cuts. So let's open up and show you. Got a nice wide cover, 7-inch wide cover, and then pretty layout when it's open, from the beiges, pinks and blues. I love the colour combination. The album, it's got a box section at the front with a magnetic closure. We've got a little photo mat in a pocket on the front cover, and also a little die cut piece to hold ephemera at the bottom, and then a nice little pocket on the inside, and then the other side folds out twice. Again, a little pocket there, but lots of areas for you to put your photos, and a pocket on the inside here, and then a little lift up flap and pockets at the top to pop ephemera underneath. So that all folds up and closes with the magnetic closure. And then in the back we've got a lovely slider photo holder and a large photo book. Pretty again. I love the music, the combination of the colours through the backgrounds on this paper with the roses. The roses are beautiful. So that's actually the inside cover of the paper pad, and I used it on the back there with all the cutouts. Lovely ballet dress here on that patchwork paper, and then on the front at the bottom we've got a nice little pocket for a photo, my one and only photo in the album, and that closes with a magnet as well. So that's the inside front cover, and then there are 2 photo holder pages, so short pages that you can put your photo mats into, one slightly wider than the other, but you could layer your photo mats down in the pockets. And then right at the back there's a lovely waterfall. It's got 7 double-sided pages, pretty. Again, all looking gorgeous, the ballet dancers. And then a little pocket at the bottom, and that closes with a magnet, and then it all folds up. So this is our next Facebook Live class, the Titania Folded Album and Stand. If you love the project and you'd like to join the class and make it with me live, you can do that. Or if you love the project but would like to make it in your own time, you can follow the link below, buy the class, and once you've been accepted into the Facebook group, you can access all of the pre-class videos, the full cutting guide, and the 2 class videos at any time to suit yourself. So it's going to be a fun project. I really loved working with this new collection by Stamperia, and designing the project to fit the paper pads. So I hope you can join me. I hope I've inspired you to be creative. I'll put the links below to all of the products that I've used to make the project, along with the link to the next Facebook Live class. It's number 19. Can you believe it? And I hope you can join me for a fun 4 hours of crafting to make this really pretty little project. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.